Hello my friends, today I'm going to unbox this beautiful LG 7 Fit. But before that I'm gonna show you, I had, including this telephone, I got this present. Let me close the box. It was like this. This in this beautiful B&O box, and it's standing over here LG. Thing is what sticky stuff, not sure what it is, but it is LG and it is a B&O headphone, and the price of this headphone is normally, it's a quality headphone, you can see, beautiful made, and over here you can see the B&O logo, not sure if you can see it, yeah. Beautiful stuff, my friends. Beautiful. You can see the logo? Beautiful. Yeah. Let me place it better, both like this, then you know what you get together. I got this thing together, and the thing is that these ear knobs cost normally €80 in the shop. Yeah, and the telephone, if you buy a loose telephone, a loose LG 7 Fit, it costs you about €300. So, and I paid only 24 times €9. So that's even cheaper. Yeah, that's €216. I pay for this phone €216 for this phone. A normal LG 7 10Q costs you about €800. That's the difference. But it's exactly the same size. I'm not sure if you get also the headphone for free with the LG 7 Fit, but with the LG 7 10Q, but with the LG 7 Fit you get the headphones for free. Okay, so in fact, if you calculate that the price of the earphones are €80, I only pay €135 for the phone. Yes, okay. But anyway, I will not use this thing. Only I will test it out for sound. I will let you know later in another video how the thing sounds. But this is the box. This is the box from the phone, and well, this is beautiful paper with LG on it. Luxury, very luxury piece of cleaning material. If you have to clean your phone, that's beautiful. Over here we have the adapter. Not sure what this is. Let me see. This over here. Oh, this is the LG headphones, or the earphones, ear knobs. These are the cheaper ear knobs if you need it. But of course, if you use these ear knobs, of course you will use the B&O, because those one would probably be much better. Here we have let's see what it is. This is the key to open the sides. Yes, over here, looking like this, and some booklets. We don't need this. This is the what's this? Guarantee. This is the LG 7 Fit. Yes, and the size is the same size as the LG 7 10Q. The difference is with this phone and the 10Q, and that it is a faster phone. The cams are better, the screen is a little bit better, but the size is exactly the same. And for me, what is important, the quad DAC, so the sound, everything what have to do with sound is exactly the same. And I paid 219, so because I have a monthly, I pay monthly for 24 months, 9 euro a month, so that's very cheap, my friends. Very cheap, very good deal. I'm not sure how to open this thing over here, but yeah, I'm not a patient man, so I open it like this. Beautiful. Oh, my friends. Oh, this is a beautiful thing. What's this? What's the back side? Beautiful, shining. Yeah, beautiful, shining. And this is the front side. And of course, I have a SIM card. Place the SIM card inside. And this thing also comes with a smaller memory. So the memory from this thing is 32 gigabyte. My older phone have a bigger memory, and that one is 32 gigabyte. But what I understand is that you can place 2 terabyte in this thing if you want. And that is remarkable, because most phones have a maximum from 265 gigabyte, and this thing you can. I already bought a new SD card, a micro SD card, but I'm not sure how to place it inside. I will do that later. First, I will do a test, because I bought two of those memory cards from 128 gigabyte, and I want to see which brand is faster. I want to do some tests first, make a video from that also. Anyway, over here. So let me see, and I paid for that card 28 euro. So here you have to open the. Well, normally it have to come outside now. So I'm not sure why. Yeah, it is opening now. Well, I'm not sure why it. Yeah, okay, it's opening now. And okay, I see right away that this is also for the memory and the SIM card. And this is my SIM card. And that will be, of course, I have to use the micro SIM. Yeah, that one goes like this. Yes. And then it goes back. It's not a dual SIM. And this is it, my friends. And now I'm not sure if I have battery in this thing. But yeah, we will see. I think LG7 fit. Beautiful phone, my friends. I could order this thing in blue or in black, and I just took the black one. You know, I think it's a beautiful, lightweighted phone. Do it again. Wow, beautiful, my friends. What's this? Beautiful colors. Well, I'm gonna play with the thing, and well, thanks for watching. I think it's a beautiful phone. I have 35% battery, you know, and it's 31 December today, and I'm not sure how long it will take me to set this thing in its right settings, you know. But anyway, the colors are beautiful. The colors are beautiful, as you can see. Beautiful lightweighted phone, and of course, if the normal LG 7 costs you 500 euro more, but for me the camera is not that important, you know. This camera is not as good as the LG 7 Fit Cam, but I only need this thing for yeah, just a normal phone, WhatsApp, you know. I don't do games with this thing. It is fast enough. What I saw on the on the specs, the phone is not slow. It's even faster than my phone. It only has 32 GB memory, but I bought a 128 extra SD micro SD card, so I have plenty memory with that 28 euro costing SD card. And well, I think it's a hell of a phone for that money, and especially because this thing have a quad DAC. It is even better. I was very happy. If you never had a phone with a very good DAC, you know, then you think I'm just talking rubbish. But that phone I had before was a beautiful sounding phone, and this LG, I'm sure it will even sound better and at least as good as the one I had before. It's a quad DAC with a 30-bit 192 kilohertz DAC, and so it means it should sound very nice. And well, I will probably use this thing often in my future videos, and you will use this thing as a music player, and maybe also my old one I will not throw away. I will not sell my old one. I will use that thing as my music player too. So thanks for watching this beautiful phone, and really it is a very stylish phone, and I don't regret that because there was many choice, but yeah, between all those phones, but this was the only one with a quad DAC for this price. You know, the LG V30 is way more expensive, and the LG 7 Fit, same problem, way too expensive for me. And for this thing, together with the B&O, you know, the B&O ear knobs, beautiful ear knobs, I paid 200 and what was it? 216 euro. 216 euro, you know. So spread over 2 years. That's very cheap, my friends. Very cheap. Well, thanks for watching. Put those thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And for now, I say bye bye.